Ever wonder why some people seem to get rich while others are stuck scraping by? Well, here's the deal. It's not magic. It's not luck. Getting rich comes down to smart choices, habits, and a little patience. And today, I'm going to share 7 proven ways to get rich. Stick with me. These actually work. All right, first tip, live below your means. I know, sounds boring, right? But it's probably the single most important thing. Don't buy that $50 latte every day. Don't lease a sports car you can't afford. Instead, focus on keeping more of what you earn. It's simple math. Earn $3,000 a month, spend $2,500, you save $500. Do that every month, and over a few years, you've got serious cash. Think about it. Warren Buffett still drives a car worth $40,000. That's less than most people spend on coffee in 5 years. Number 2, start saving and investing as early as possible. This is the classic compounding trick. Even if you start with just $100 a month in your 20s, by the time you hit 50, you could have hundreds of thousands, maybe even over $1 million, depending on your investments. Early saving is like planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the bigger it grows. Tip, don't just save, invest. Stocks, index funds, ETFs, anything that grows over time beats letting money sit in a checking account. Number 3, increase your income. You can save all you want, but if you don't make more, growth will be slow. Ask for a raise. Change jobs for better pay. Start a side hustle. I'm talking freelancing, online businesses, tutoring, you name it. Every extra dollar you make can go straight into savings or investments. Funny angle. Side hustles are like extra ammo for your money game. The more bullets you have, the more targets you can hit. Tip number 4, avoid bad debt like the plague. Credit cards with 20% interest? Terrible. Fancy loans for a car you don't need? Don't even think about it. If you've already got debt, pay it off fast. Every month you delay, interest is eating your money alive. Keep debt in check, and you'll have more room to invest in things that grow your wealth. Number 5, diversify your income. Relying on one paycheck is risky. You need multiple streams, maybe a part-time gig, investments, online business, freelancing, you name it. The more streams you have, the safer and faster you grow. Think of it like a video game. Don't put all your points in one skill. Spread them out and win the game faster. Tip 6, invest in assets that make you money. Stocks, real estate, businesses. Avoid liabilities that drain your cash. Fancy cars, giant TVs, unnecessary gadgets. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities, take them out. Simple. Think of it like this. Would you rather have a rental property paying you every month or a $70,000 car that depreciates the second you drive it off the lot? Last tip, never stop learning. Money doesn't just grow on trees, it grows in your brain. Read books, watch financial videos, learn about investing, taxes, side hustles, budgeting. Knowledge compounds too. The smarter your financial decisions, the faster your wealth grows. Even reading just 20 minutes a day about money can completely change your life in a few years. Knowledge is like a superpower for your wallet. Do these consistently, and you'll be surprised how fast your financial situation changes. Getting rich isn't luck. It's habits, patience, and smart choices. Start small, start today, and your future self will thank you. If you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs a little money motivation.